Ladies and gentlemen, the weather forecast says a storm is coming this afternoon. A big one. We have to hurry up. I'm gonna do some work here. Yeah, the guys have been working here very early. I look over the sky, it seems no rain today, but unfortunately, the big storm is coming this afternoon. So we have to catch up with the time and to fix it. We are assembling. The guys is great here. Yeah, more black clouds are coming. A big star is coming very soon. And if you like this video, just give me a like. Bye bye everyone. See you.